Hey guys, welcome to your tutorial. I am so excited for this new challenge. It's the Wonder Woman challenge. I mean, I don't think you can get any better than that. All right guys, so we're gonna go through our benchmark workout moves, and I'm gonna give you modifications for each one. As always, we have 5 moves. Our first one, I mean, we are jumping right into this challenge, okay? You've been warned. Our first one is going to be a burpee. I know, it's gonna be a burpee with a side jump. So yes, I am adding a little something to it. So let me quickly go over that move with you. I'm gonna show you this long way so you can see how I'm gonna do it. All right, you know a burpee. We come down, palms to the floor. You can jump it or step it out. Drop your knees, come down to a push-up. Push yourself back up, jump or step to the top, and then you jump off the mat and you do it again. Down, up, jump it back in, and then jump back over. And you just keep doing that back and forth. All right, modification. Take the side jump out. Take the push up out. Do a drawn out squat thrust where you just come here and then back up. Okay, you can do that as well. Or if you want, just come, hold plank, and then you can just come up. You can hold plank for a little bit longer in case the intensity is a little too much with jumping up and down is a little too much for you. So that's kind of how you're gonna break that one down. All right, so intense all the way to not so intense, but still getting that heart rate up a little bit. All right, then we're gonna do a reverse lunge, cross jab with a front kick. All right, a lot going on there. You're gonna have weights in your hand or not. Entirely up to you. Let me grab my weights real quick so you can just see what this looks like. All right, so we're gonna do a reverse lunge. You're gonna step it back. As you're in that reverse lunge, cross, cross, kick. Alternate sides. Bring it down. Jab, jab, kick. Whoop. Make sure you're balanced, belly button pulled in. If you're not, you're gonna be very wobbly up here. So down, jab, jab, kick. Change your legs, jab, jab, kick. And if you just want to modify this a little bit, just do reverse lunge kick. Take the jab out. Or take the weights out. No weights, just do reverse lunges. All right, or any kind of modification you want to do. You can take the kick out completely, entirely up to you. So that's how you can modify that one. Next, we're gonna do squat to curtsy lunge with arms. Woo, a lot going on there. So we're gonna do a combo move. Curtsy lunge, center, squat, curtsy lunge, okay? Just like that. You can just hold the weights or add in the weights like this. Out to the side, little curl, out to the side. Bicep curl, up to shoulder height and out to the side. All right? This is too much, take the weights out. Take the arms out. Just do squat, curtsy, squat, curtsy. If that's too much, take the squat out. Just do some curtsies. If that's too much, squats. Regular old air squats. I'm cool with that. All right? Next, moving on. Blast off plank to 6 plank jacks. What does that look like? You guys know this one. You're in plank position, you take it back. Blast it off, jump it out. 6 of these. You can jump it, you can step it. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I know, I'm having you drag it out. 5 and 6, and then back. If this is too much, do it from your knees. Come back like this. Forward, leg lifts. 6 of those. And then you bring it back and come up, 6. All right? A lot of room there to modify. You can even just hold plank. Just hold plank for the duration. And then the last one we're gonna do, what's the last one we're doing? Lateral bear crawl. You're gonna go side to side. It's like a crab crawl. You're on all fours. Tuck your toes, lift your knees just above the ground. I don't know if you can really see it. You guys know the bear crawl. Will the bear hold? Bear plank. All right, so knees are just above. And then we're gonna walk it side to side, length of your mat. Just like that, and then you go back over. And you go back and forth as many times as you can during the interval. All right, and every time you go, that's 1, 2, 3. Every time you hit an end of the mat, that will count as 1 rep. All right, that's it. Those are your 5 benchmark moves. If nothing was clear to you, reach out to me, text me, email me, let me know, and I will help you modify whichever ones you're uncomfortable with. All right? All right, guys, I'm excited. Wonder Woman Challenge is coming up next. I will see you in the benchmark workout. Mwah!